Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your phone supports eSIM and is unlocked. This prevents activation blocks. Once done, locate the Mobitel QR or SMDP Plus and activation code. These are required to provision the profile. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network so the phone can download the profile without interruption. Next, open Settings, go to Cellular or Mobile Data, and choose Add Cellular Plan to begin scanning the QR or entering details. After initiating Add Cellular Plan, scan the Mobitel QR. If scanning fails, tap Enter Details manually and input the SMDP Plus address and activation code. This is how the carrier securely provisions your profile. You'll be prompted to name the line and set voice versus data priorities. Choose a recognizable label so you can manage dual SIM settings later. Allow the phone to download and install the profile. Once installation completes, follow any carrier prompts to confirm activation and apply network settings. Once the eSIM is installed, set it as your default line for data or voice as needed in cellular settings, and make sure it shows a Mobitel signal. This confirms provisioning. Restart your device to finalize network registration, then test by making a call and browsing. If activation fails, try toggling airplane mode, ensure automatic date and time is on, and retry the QR/manual entry. If problems persist, contact Mobitel with your extricate/activation code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.